All right, hey everyone, this is Jack, and welcome to your free update. Let's take a look at this market. So on the left-hand side, I have an hourly chart here for you. I just want to point out this move from Tuesday all the way back in to a new high for the week at 4,000, and then on Friday we end up just kind of, going a little bit lower, collapsing a little bit back down to about 39.50. Why is this relevant? Well, it's relevant for two reasons. On Monday, I'm looking for a gap down to 39.30. That's going to be this voodoo line, but we still have a compression on the daily time frame. So which direction am I wanting, or which direction am I expecting this to go? I'm thinking we're going to take out the June highs. That's right, 4,100, and you've got a nice voodoo line here. That is always a plus. Looking at this, and if you want to kind of dissect what we might be running into on Monday or Tuesday, which would be going back down to retest 39.36, maybe a little bit lower, maybe the 20s, and then from there we'll be selling put credit spreads because I only want to be long this market next week whenever the time is right. We will be patient. I'm pretty much in a hurry up and wait scenario. I do think that in the Sunday to Monday overnight futures, we'll probably see something around 39.30. Best case scenario, we're just right out the gate on Monday and we trade down to about 39.20. I will definitely be selling some type of deeper in the money put credit spread for the 5-day expiration Monday to Friday next week. So plan number one, looking and waiting for the flush down here. Okay, on this chart, it would be obviously this white snow line here, which is great. We'd still want to see that compression. Everything still looks good for another rally higher. Maybe not Tuesday, maybe not Wednesday, maybe just Thursday into Friday, or similar enough where we have a little bit of strength on Tuesday, we give it up a little bit on Wednesday. I'm essentially looking for a carbon copy print of how we traded this week for next week, but instead of letting go of the lead that we had in the 7th inning, which was Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday morning, instead of us giving all that up, I think it'll be a hard-fought battle, squeezing out the shorts, all the speculative bears out there into August, back up to about 4,150 or 4,200. So the game plan is Monday, we'll take a look, see what makes sense, wait for a flush. If we're down here to 39.30, we'll be a little bit more patient to see if we actually do retest 3,900. I'm doubtful of that, but we know this has become a little bit more of a volatile market here in the late summer, so I think it's worth exploring, and certainly I like to get my put credit spreads a little bit more credit. I like to have a little bit more credit, and so maybe Mondays are a hurry up and wait, and we can get that opportunity. So I think things are looking good on the upside. We still have this squeeze. The dollar's been strong. It also reverted to the mean. If you're following on gold looks like it has bottomed. We hit the 1679 level. That was the 1272 extension to the downside. That was my target. Now it's made a third ATR move, and it looks like it has kind of bottomed out here. And so if you are a gold investor, or if you are trying to get some gold coins, not necessarily trading, golds and futures or options, but definitely taking a look at, cost averaging into some more of those gold coins. Maybe we don't go below 1,700 again for the rest of the year. So, we did create a large cycle, and we have fulfilled the prophecy of going back to make new lows. 1677, 1679 was the 2021 August low. We're there. So maybe it is a good time to be looking at some November GLD long calls. I think we still need to wait a little bit, but not a bad price for anyone just trying to be a gold investor right now. Certainly a lot better than 1850. So we're coming down a little bit. Things are reverting to the mean. Semiconductors are looking strong. Nvidia could very well be up to about 190. We'll talk about this. This could be trade number 2, which would be a put credit spread up to 190, which is that voodoo line right here, up here at the top. I'll draw a green box around it, and maybe a run into that earnings date for mid-August looks good too. So I think what we did today and what we did this week was a little bit of a warm-up for what's to come in the future. I don't want to be bearish. There will be a time to be short, but right now is not that time. Pretty straightforward. Have a great weekend. Relax. This was a good start for the kind of the midsummer here. For a little bit more direction in 1 week, I certainly enjoyed it, but I think there's more here. Semiconductors look pretty solid. We do have a lot of earnings coming up, and frankly, 4,100 is not that far away, even if we were to open up at 3,900 next week. So we'll talk about it. Welcome if you're new. If you want to join us in the day trading room or in futures, feel free. Get your questions written down so you'll remember it in our sessions, and we'll see you in the next update. Thanks for watching this video. If you've enjoyed the video, be sure to like and comment down below to help us out. Also, be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you can get notified when we release our next video. And if you want to watch us trade in real time using our own money, go to simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. Good trading, and we'll see you in the next video.